How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I have an interesting ticker I want to talk about that has been on my radar now, and I've been just kind of watching it. And that's going to be ticker OPI. And I want to just discuss my analysis, my price prediction. How do I catch reversals, and when do we see an opportunity to make money, right? And before I get right into the video and discuss the system, do keep in mind there is a premium Discord that I own of only $6, and we have over 1,000 members in here, and it's just growing rapidly. If you want to join, these are the best alerts in the market for only a cheap price of $6, and you get my exact entries and exits, and I'll post that into YouTube comments below. But let's get on to OPI to see if you like the system, to see if this is kind of like your style, your personality, right? And obviously, if you're watching this, you are kind of looking like one, maybe you're back holding a little, or two, you're just kind of like looking for some input on where can this thing take off, and according to the history, the data, and where can we see like our reversion to the mean, right? So what you're looking at is my daily chart. The bottom band is your green band, and that is considered your buy zone. Doesn't mean you get in right away. It's just an opportunity to start buying. The blue band is where the price is going to correct to. It has to touch it. When you see gaps like this right in here, you see how price touches it. Price is always touching it, no matter what. In any chart history, you see the gaps here to a T, it touches. Then we have this gap here, and it touches again, right? Bigger the gaps, the better the buy signal is going to be, right? Just keep that in mind. The bigger the gaps, the better the buy signal, because price has to go back and touch that blue band, right? And I also want to look at the weekly. The weekly gives you obviously the highest buy signal. So as you can see, when the price hits a weekly bottom band right here, price goes up to a T. Anytime it, like right in here, is another weekly touch, gets very close, price goes up. But the weekly hitting the middle band is going to take longer than like a daily. The daily time frame is about a 1 month to 2 month is like kind of the longest I see. Right here was the COVID crisis. Even the weekly conforms to it and touches the blue band, making tons of money. And then the red band is your sell zone. As you can see, it declines rapidly when it gets way above. So the what I like about this trade, I do like OPI, and it's coming very close to a reversal. And the reason why I like it is one, we are getting close to the green band here. I do see a nice low KDJ. This line right here, lower the K, the higher the buy signal. So I am seeing a really nice K. And then what the main thing I like is that we have a 215. February 15th, we hit the middle band. The market makers did their mission. We had this big gap all the way down here. Accumulated a lot of these shares, and then it went up, making tons of money for the bulls right here. And as you can see, we touched right here at 108. We completed the mission at 212, less than a month time frame. So we have our gap right here. We have our buy signal right in here under the band. And we're having quite a low K, and then accumulating the shares all throughout here with the nice accumulation rules I have in my Discord, and then bam, we make massive money right in there. We're having kind of the same scenario, right? We are almost touching this bottom band, and I'm waiting for a kind of a lower K. We are at 4.86, which is actually pretty good. But the main thing I'm watching is here. We touched the middle band February 15th. Right now, it's 311. So we are getting close to 1 month from where this touched and this touched. This was about a 1 month time frame. So in my opinion, we are going to start curling up here very soon, in my honest opinion. And what we want to do is we want to obviously do wait for the buy zone, which is at 1.99 is the bottom band. It is getting very close to that. I am thinking about learning this in the Discord, in my premium Discord, at what price I'd like to get it at. Also has some, little dividend here, but it looks like the earnings, they missed, and they just kept going down rapidly. But that is how we do it. I want to look at one more thing here and just see that, just show you how this time distance really works. We have a touch at the 403 mark, and guess what? We hit the middle band at 519, a little over a month, but here and there, we did touch it and making massive money for the bulls. This candle alone was 10%. So you would wait till at least almost a month, and then you would start looking for these accumulation zones right in here. And obviously, like I say, you don't just get in right when price is under the band, because we just touched the middle band here. So all these are irrelevant. We look closer to the 1 month time frame of hitting the lower band. So it would be these candles right in here, but then you want to look for a low K. So there is a lot of things you do want to look at. Obviously, if the weekly is touching, these are the best buy signals. As you can see, every time the weekly gets close, we are pumping. We are pretty close right here too on the weekly. So there's a lot of things to look at. I do think this was a nice move down for buyers to start looking to get into a position, right? Because now the risk versus reward is definitely looking greater for the bulls compared to the bears, right? If I was shorting here and I didn't know this system, I could get really squeezed, or I could get really hurt by the bulls right in here. But since I know this system, I would definitely not short in this area. I hope you guys enjoy this analysis of OPI. It works to a T. This system I have been doing for over six years. I've been back tested it. I spent so much time. I got tired of losing. I am a reversal trader, as you know. So I look for drastic prices to the bottom, to the downside, and drastic prices to the upside. And I look for that reversion of the mean, which is the price hitting back to this middle band. And that is the main thing, is we look for these gaps of this middle band, we fill it, and we make sure we have a buy signal under the green band for a nice entry with a low KDJ. So there's a lot of things to look at, but I promise you this is a great system, and I promise, keep in mind, you will make money, over time with this, as you have an edge and you knowing what areas to buy, and that's the main thing. If you guys enjoyed this video on my analysis, price prediction, and like I said, right here is the blue band is at 2.84, so there's plenty of room to the upside to make money. Do consider joining the premium Discord. It's at an all-time low cost of only $6. That way any trader can trade it no matter how big your account is, and you will learn a lot. If you want to join this premium Discord, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments, and it will be in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades for only $6. And when you click that link into the YouTube comments, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is click the premium chat under subscriptions, and it'll be slightly cheaper on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and it'll be only $6, and it'll opt you in every month. And you'll have access to all these channels of trade alerts. You can see my exact trades I'm in, and then the setup video to have all these indicators matching you. And these are customized, and I go in a further depth video on how to use them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about OPI. I'm looking to get in, and if you want to help me out spreading the engagement of liking, subscribing, and commenting, we'll spread this to other retail traders who desperately need to know, okay, so what are we looking at in a chart perspective? Why has this had been going down? What's it doing in the past? All this is doing another leg low. Here we touch here, we're going down here to hit this, and we're going to correct back to this, and then we're just rinsing and repeating these waves, right? The market moves in waves. You go up, down, up, down, up, down. We're in this down pattern, and we're looking for the up pattern to make good money, and that's what I'm seeing right here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the premium Discord. Take care.